Today we have a video from the Crime Piece, and the title of the video is Chinese Group Deported After $1 Million Gift Card Scam.
4 Chinese nationals accused of replacing gift cards at the St. Matthew's Kroger have been indicted for operating a criminal syndicate. The indictments follow a string of arrests this year by St. Matthew's police, all at the same Kroger store.
Kroger security personnel noticed a person placing gift cards back on the rack at their store and immediately called the police. As a result, the suspect is caught right after exiting the store.
What's going on? You buy anything in there?
No, I just look
They
here.
said you were up there messing with the gift cards, huh?
No, not me, sir.
You got some ID?
Yeah.
Okay, what's going on with you? You got any weapons on you?
Okay.
Did you take any gift cards?
No, I'm not there.
What are you doing with the gift cards?
No.
Huh? You got some ID?
Yeah.
Okay.
Buddy's in the GMC down there.
Gift card?
No.
I see one in there. You still gift? Did they take any gift cards today?
They put him up.
I buy.
So they altering the gift cards?
Yes.
Okay.
I buy this card.
Okay. ID. You have any weapons on you?
No.
Nothing? What's that, phone?
On your phone.
Okay. Oh, you from California?
Oh, yeah.
What are you doing here?
Come
Keep your
down.
hands out of your pocket. No.
So.
What's the other one at?
Down there. Parked in black GMC.
Get the plate.
It's a Tennessee plate.
Yeah, can you get it? You take a picture of it?
I got a picture, but I don't know how clear it is.
Okay. Okay, let's get it out of the rain here. So you're in there tampering with the gift cards, is that it? You in there tampering with the gift cards?
No,
Huh?
I'm not there.
Okay, stand out of the rain here. What'd you buy?
Huh?
What'd you buy?
No,
They said you're tampering with the gift cards. That's why I'm here. That's why they call the police, because you've been doing that. All the money you got?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I have get money.
Come on, man. While the cop is dealing with this, loss prevention, go get a photo of the license plate or get the number of the license plate. You say you got a photo, but it's not clear. The cop asked you the plate. Hello, we'll get the plate. Oh boy.
Yeah. Do you have any gift cards in there that you know they tampered with today?
Oh, yeah. I can prove it on
Yeah,
video.
go get the gift cards.
So-
Bring them in here.
Take those. Can I tell him that where that other guy's at?
Yeah.
He's
So they take the gift cards and they get the information, and then they keep them on the shelf, right?
get you federal information. Other guy put him on the block.
Okay. So you're tampering with these today?
Cat got his tongue.
Is this you?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Let's have a seat.
Oh, no, it's okay.
Okay. Sit over here on this corner here.
No, it's fine, sir. It's fine.
No, I want you to sit down. I'm detaining you right now. So sit down. Yeah. So this guy, what they do is they take the gift cards and they get all the information off of them. And he was doing that to these today.
He's on his person.
No, but she saw him doing it. She's the witness. He's got thousands of dollars in cash on him, and he didn't buy anything. You know, it's a scam they've been pulling across the country.
Are you a citizen of the United States? Were you born and raised here?
I green card.
You got a green card? There's another one in the car over there or something, but... So you're being detained while we do an investigation, okay?
I don't understand, sorry.
Yeah, no problem. You just stay seated and you'll be okay. Who are you talking to on the security name?
Do what?
What security are you talking to?
Homeland Security.
All right.
So he's putting the...
So these cards are forged. They're not real.
No, they're real, but they got the information off of them at a centralized location. Then they check the balances. As they get sold, they cash them in, and they keep the money, and the person gets screwed that buys them.
Yeah.
Phone? Just have a seat. You're being detained.
Detain you for a minute here. Go ahead and sit down.
Take his earpiece out of his ear. Take
The
his
Kroger
earpiece
employee
out.
puts a dollar amount on the damages.
I mean, we just try to get them as we can.
700,000 already.
Yes, in the last 2 weeks in just our 10 stores. But I mean, the last few months we've sent them, we've got to be at $1 million in the last couple months that we've sent to our fire department. So, because the 2 guys they picked up in Nashville were at our stores here. And then there's another female that we have on video here and at Stony Brook on her swarm. And then there's another male at the Wind Station Kroger, but I mean, we don't have any information on them because they're just in and out.
Okay, I got you on my phone. I'm hot. Homeland Security is involved in this. They've been doing it all over the country. So what they're doing, they're bringing gift cards into the store, putting them on the shelf. They have all the information off the gift card, and as they're sold, they steal the money off of it. And so then the person that buys it, and the innocent victim, walks out of Kroger's thinking they got a $50 gift card. So she saw them, the security officer saw them putting gift cards on the shelf. I was thinking tampering physical evidence, you know, Sarge says no, and then I called this Homeland Security guy. I was on the phone with the security. He was saying the state police have charged him with possession of a forged instrument. Well, there's got to be altering these cards charge, don't you?
Well, I think you'd have to look under the federal statutes, not the state. Do you have anything else in the back?
Well, he's got probably some cards in there. I didn't really look in it. He opened it. Mr. Smith, how are you? So they were putting cards on the shelf that they have all the information from. They take all that information.
So they scratch off the back.
No, they take the information.
So not these specifically, but so like this one, for example. So when you get
Homeland Security sent me that article.
So like you'll get a card just like this, you'll purchase it, and then when you go home, you've already spent the $100 on it. When you go to open it, that's what it'll look like. So you won't be able to use the card at all because they've scratched out these numbers. So they have your money at that point.
So they tampered with these cards by
Yes.
scratching these numbers out.
Yes.
But then they
And
put them on the shelf to resell to an innocent victim. I have him detained in my back seat, finally put him in the car.
Well, so since they've altered the card, they've altered it,
Yes.
then do the CPFI. Since they've altered it.
Okay, step out. You have any weapons on you or any other drugs or anything? You got an earpiece?
Put your hands behind your
Take
back.
earpiece
Oh, yeah.
He just getting the earpiece.
No
He's
knives,
been
no
talking on the
guns?
phone.
Nothing's going to harm me? No needles? You're not shooting up? Okay, step up for a second while I look in the car here.
815 radio.
Okay. I'm going to put your earpiece, I'll put it in the
Got it
backpack.
in my hand. Go ahead.
Okay.
Go ahead and
That is negative.
hang on. Just going to put you in cuffs for your security and his security, okay?
Still detaining you.
Yes. Being detained in his safety.
Hold on, I got double lock.
Now, I saw you had some money in there, and you got a wall with some Costco card and bank card and something.
Okay,
else.
have a seat.
Anything else in that backpack we need to know about? Sideways.
He had a bunch of cash, so he emptied out his
He's got.
backpack. There's
Well, that's what they probably brought in, and the other guy took out. He's got like Costco card. He's got cash. This is his earbuds case.
You got the other earbud?
Yeah.
I figured he might be trying to use his phone on it or something. And we're local police, we're not the federal, so
I got it.
we're
I retired from Owensboro Police. I was supervisor over
We can
criminal
add,
investigation division there.
and I'm all about 10-15 him and on something.
Well, hopefully Homeland Security will come back and
The amount that these cards
give you something. Hopefully they just come and get him. I mean, that would be the reasonable thing to do.
Oh, that'd be
That
that.
would be what I would
Yeah,
think they would
yeah.
want to do.
Yeah.
After determining the aggregate value of the cards, the cops let the suspect know what his charges are.
So you already got a felony on it.
Okay. I haven't told him he's under arrest yet. I want to give him the good news. Okay, you're now under arrest on felony charges, okay? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in court. You have the right to consult. Do you understand these rights? With these rights in mind, do you wish to speak to me now?
I don't understand.
Okay. You don't understand? He'd say he doesn't understand. Well, I read you your rights, okay?
Well, okay. You want to talk to him anymore?
Yeah. I'm good.
The suspect was just one of a group of 4 individuals arrested and indicted by a federal grand jury, facing significant prison time for their involvement in the scam. Kroger, on its part, took extra steps to make sure you don't get scammed. They installed special gift card displays with peg locks, which prevent scammers from placing the tampered cards back on an open rack.
Yeah, this one, you know, I was pretty locked in. This is pretty interesting. You know, this isn't your typical crime that your city cops or, you know, stuff like that deal with. So it's definitely it was definitely a collaboration of everyone to narrow it down and figure out what they were charged them with and, you know, all that stuff. But man, you know you done messed up when you got Homeland Security involved. And then it's one thing, it's like, you know, when you do something wrong, you might get away with it the first time, maybe even the second time, maybe. But the more you keep doing it, yes, you're getting richer and richer and richer, right? Because you're getting all this money off. But the chances of you getting caught is higher and higher and higher. So now you got to do your time here. Send your ass back packing, man. Go back to your goddamn country, man. Crazy. If you would like to support the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Also, hype the video. YouTube has a new feature where you can hype the video. Helps it gets pushed out into the algorithm. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can also send a super thanks, super sticker, or look in the description for our YouTube membership and our Patreon link. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Your support is greatly appreciated.